back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix always on display not working on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications and click on do not disturb. Make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, click on general management and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. After click on reset, so it just reset all setting, it's not clean, and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.